Hey guys, it's Jasper here and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will explain all the steps that I will take from a totally new e-commerce store from scratch to 100k a month, all the steps that I would take to take it to the 100k in mark. A lot of people are asking me, Jasper, what would you do if you start dropshipping all over again in 2024? What kind of steps do you need to take? What kind of market should you choose? Well, I have the answer to everything. And I have it here in my micro board, so I will show you guys what I'm talking about, because it's very simple. My plan to generate 100k with Shopify dropshipping, and the only 3 steps that we need to take, like the core principles that we need to do, is choose a niche in the product, advertise it on Facebook and Google, and convert the traffic in sales. That's like the main focus you need to have as a dropshipper. The only thing that matters to get like traffic and to get sales is these 3 steps. So it's not that hard to follow, right? But a lot of people are asking me like, yeah, but there's many steps between it. Yes, of course, this is just a general overview. Like if we go into depth more, that means if we do and choose the niche and the products, we need to do the product research. Then we need to search for all the potential niches, of course, because there are many niches that you can sell in. Then we need to read the trend data. Are these products and niches already in trend or are they dying out? Then we need to validate the data with like maybe tools like Google Trends, etc. Then we need to get content from the product and the niche that we want to sell in. And then we are ready for launch. For the ads, of course. So if we check in the ads, I'm very good at the advertising in Google and Facebook. I always want to combine these two. So that means I need to set up the platforms first. Then I need to set up the campaigns. I need to structure the content that we have from the product. We need to have the correct ad setup. Then, of course, we need to launch the ads. And then we need to analyze the data. And lastly, the store. We need to convert the traffic. We need to set up the store in the chosen market. If you choose Germany, Netherlands, US, Australia, Canada, it needs to be all native. Then we need to create the product pages. We set up the correct apps and we make everything native. So if you have a Dutch store, you make it everything in Dutch. If you have a German store, you make everything in German, of course. And then we push traffic to the landing page, we analyze the data, and from there we can scale. But there are many steps behind this as well, like hiring our first VA, getting the supplier, etc. So what I've done, I've talked about this with my team, and I was thinking about how can we make more impact on you guys on the channel and how can I show you more results. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a totally new, brand new e-commerce store from scratch, and I will take you live with me how I'm going to create the store and how I'm going to scale the store with the ads to 100k in mark. I will all document this on YouTube, but I will blur out some things like the store, maybe even the market, the products. You cannot see everything, of course, because otherwise it will be oversaturated. But I have another option, and that is like my challenge. And what I have in this challenge is I want to show you guys literally everything. So what I mean with literally everything is I will show you the winning product, the high converting landing pages, the winning ad creatives, the supplier, the scaling strategy, literally everything. And as a bonus, you guys can hop on a call with me 3 times a week with me and my team, and you get into a community of killer e-commerce entrepreneurs. By the time that you guys are watching this video, we are live with this community. If you are able to buy here, that means that we are still open. If it is set up like this, it means that we have a waitlist. You can click on the waitlist, you can fill in the form, and you are ready to get entered into the challenge by joining the waitlist. So what does it look like? Well, pretty simple. We're gonna start at $99 a month. But we will increase the price by $99 a month for every 10k in revenue that we made. So the winning product and the ads don't get oversaturated. Well, step 2 is of course make the payment, and number 3 is you will join in the community. The community will be sick as well because we have like a lot of giveaways that we were gonna do. There's a free masterclass in here that is a free course, like the total course, I believe it's like 6 or 7, 8 hours long that you can start your own business with. And then we have all the details that you need as well. And you can win by leveling up. So you can get like winning product list, you can get a free Shopify store, you can get a free one-on-one call with me, you get a mastermind invite, and you can win $500 in prizes. Like the prizes are insane in this community. So I'm very stoked and I'm very hyped to start this community and to start this challenge from 0 to 100k in 90 days challenge. And to make it even more crazier, if I don't make the 100k in revenue, So if I don't make at least 10k in profit in 90 days, I will refund you guys all. I'm not in here for the money. To be honest, I'm here to win the school games. This is hosted on the school as well. So I'm not in here for the money. I'm just here for making impact on you guys, so you guys can show your appreciation to me by joining this community so I can win the school games. And I will take you guys live with me there as well if I go to the school games, because that means I can fly out to Las Vegas and meet Alex Hormozi and Sam Ovens, and I will document the whole thing. So on my YouTube channel, you will see all the free stuff that I'm able to share, but all the stuff that I'm not able to share, I will share it in this community, in this challenge. So the people in the challenge will see my winning products, will see my ads, will see my stores. They can literally copy and paste me from one-on-one, so you can make the same money as I'm doing. If you're still thinking about it, I will leave this link in the YouTube video description below. I would love to see you guys there. If not, and you're not able to buy instantly, you need to join the waitlist, because we open once a while, so we don't get flooded by all the people at once. We want to have like quality over quantity. Well, this was like just a quick update video on this, guys. I hope you guys are very excited about this. I will document the whole process here. Soon I will have the first update video on YouTube where I show you how we start, how we do the product research, and I will take you with me. See you soon. Bye.